Has this ever happened to you?
We were asked to redesign a grabber. We were given the task of hard and delicate objects, and we had to design a grabber built around that constraint.
One problem with these is that you can't pick up glasses out of high cupboards.
The way we arrived at our solution was to put together a few alternatives, and we collectively decided on which one was the best one, and that design was ultimately the pivot pin, which was what we went with.
So the handle here was designed initially to move straight back, so that it runs along this track on the bottom and this track on the top, and it comes back with the cable attached to it. The top comes back with these two tension springs. But then we found a problem with it binding on its way back, so we pinned it at the bottom so it would pivot around that point, and it would move and pull the cable back in the same fashion. And then with the claw here and the whole head, we made it so it can pivot about 75 degrees, so when you reach up, you can grab something that's perfectly horizontal, and you can still be able to grab it easily. It was designed to pivot around this pin here, which is fixed and run along this track, and then with a wing nut added on this spot, it'd be moved very easily. The claw was designed to close with a rack and pinion. The gears fit perfectly together, and the rack just slides back with a cable attached to it on the inside. The foam here on the claw is used so it doesn't scratch the brittle materials that we're trying to pick up.
The thing I enjoyed most about this project was being able to work in a team and being able to have a group around me that's working towards a collective goal, and also being able to go from a design on paper to what was ultimately our grabber at the end, and just be able to see that final production.
Originally, I would say the toughest thing about the project was coming up with the original idea and designing it. Later on in the project, I realized making that idea come to fruition was actually the hardest part, especially trying to assemble it.
I believe as I enter the workforce, I'll be working with a lot more teams, and the skills and the attributes that I've learned from working with my group will carry forward through my degree and into the workforce.